Welcome back to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about the pros and cons of having the internship or CSD at Cognizant. But before that, let me tell you, I did my internship at Cognizant in 2022. So whatever I am sharing in this particular video will be based on my internship experience only. So please do watch this video till the end so that you will not miss any of the important information. Let's talk about the pros first. The very first advantage of having the internship or CSD at Cognizant is having the access of Udemy. Now the question arises over here, what are the things, what are the courses that I can do from Udemy? So the answer to this question is you can do any of the courses that are available on the Udemy irrespective of your particular domain. So you can do the certification in Java, Python, MySQL, Spring Boot and many more advanced technologies that might not be related to your particular domain. Yes, Cognizant will give you some sort of mandatory courses, but apart from those mandatory courses, you can do the additional courses as well that might not be related to your particular domain. So this is the very biggest advantage of having the internship or CSD at Cognizant, that the access of Udemy, you can do whatever you want to do with that Udemy. Let's talk about the second advantage, that is well-designed hands-on. So every candidate during the internship or CSD have to solve many of the questions related to your particular domain. The solution for those questions seems to be very easy, but they are not. They are slightly trickier. So Cognizant have designed the hands-on in such a way that the candidate should need to apply their logical thinking in order to get the solution clearly. So the candidate needs to solve the hands-on coding challenge, qualifier test. So these are all the things that makes you feel comfortable with the technology. So let's talk about the third advantage, that is on-time stipend. Every candidate will receive the stipend every month. Yes, you will receive the stipend every month, but there might be slight delay in receiving the stipend because in certain cases only, because the trainer needs to evaluate your performance and based on your performance only, the stipend will get credited. So every month you will receive 12,000 rupees, but you will receive only 10,800 rupees in hand, and rest of the 1,200 rupees you can claim in TDS. Talking about the fourth advantage, that is learning atmosphere. So since every student, every candidate is going through the same platform, that is Udemy, so this will create a learning atmosphere among the candidates. So candidates do not need to worry about the courses. What are the courses that I can do from the Udemy? You can do any of the courses. So this will create a learning atmosphere. And the Cognizant will always give you the freedom of doing any of the courses that are available on Udemy. Whether it is paid or unpaid, it doesn't matter. You can do any of the courses that are available on Udemy. So this will create a learning atmosphere among the candidates who are doing the internship or CSD. Talking about the fifth advantage, that is competitive environment. So since everyone is going through the same platform, that is TechStack is a platform where the students need to solve the hands-on coding challenge, qualifier test and many more things. So based on how many questions you have solved, the points will be given, and based on your points only, the ranking will get displayed in the TechStack platform, where you can see the ranking of others can see the ranking of yours. So this will create a competitive environment that I want to do this and I want to rank at level 1. So this will create a competitive environment that I want to stand above the others. I want to solve as many questions as I can, so that I will rank above the other candidates as well. So these are the things that I liked about the Cognizant internship or CSD. Let's talk about those things which I don't like about the Cognizant, that is cons of having the internship or CSD at Cognizant. The very first one is stipend is based on milestone. Now, as you already know that every candidate needs to score 70 or more than 70% throughout the internship in order to get the stipend. But even if you will score 69% throughout your journey, throughout your internship, then you will not receive the stipend. Yes, this is very harsh, but it is the reality. And you need to accept this reality. So second chance will be given to you. If you will, even after the second attempt, you will not score more than 70%, then your offer will get terminated and you will not receive any sort of stipend. This is the thing that I don't like about the Cognizant. If the candidate is scoring between 60 to 70, then try to understand where exactly the things have gone wrong. So the system evaluates your performance. No, it should not be system that will evaluate your performance. It should be trainer that needs to evaluate your performance. the trainers needs to see how logical they have answered the question, the candidates have answered the question. Let's talk about the second point, that is trainers. So, during my internship, I have been allotted with 5 trainers, and out of those 5 trainers, I would say 2 trainers are well efficient and they are very good trainers, and rest of the 3, I will not say that they are bad trainers, but they don't care about what the interns are learning, whether they are actually learning or not. They just deliver the lecture, and it's up to the candidate that they are understanding or not. They don't care about the whether the candidate is understanding the concepts, whether the candidate is understanding the technology or not. They don't care about that. So there are 2 trainers who are very efficient, who are good trainers, who tries to communicate with the interns whether you are actually getting the concepts or not. So this experience might vary from person to person, from candidate to candidate, but this is my internship experience. The third thing that I don't like about the Cognizant internship or CSD is date of joining is uncertain. Yes, so some of the students will receive the date of joining for the internship in the month of January, and some of the students will receive the date of joining in the month of July. Talking about the present batch, that is 2023, so many of the students already got the internship date of joining in the month of January, but there are certain students who got the date of joining in the month of May. But after that, their date of joining is constantly changing from May to June, June to July, and it will continue if their business requirement will not meet. So your onboarding will be based on business requirement only. So let's talk about the certification part. So no proper certification was given to me when I completed my internship. I completed my internship with 85%. I have maintained 85% throughout my internship, but even after that, I haven't received any sort of certification from the Cognizant. So this is the thing that I don't like about the Cognizant. If you are giving the internship to the candidate, then you should need to provide the proper certification so that other candidate can show to other organization that I did my internship in Cognizant during this much time. So they will just send you the auto-generated mail that this candidate have done the internship for this month, and that's it. No PDF, no certificate. That's it about this video. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please share this video with all your friends. I have covered many of the topics related to Cognizant, so if you haven't watched that video, please do check out more videos on related to Cognizant. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. And yes, if you have any doubt related to IT industry, please let me know in the comment section. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn.